Hello everyone. In this video, I'm starting a series of content about the OpenAI API. And to start, I'm bringing a simple example for our first interaction. The first step is to open the OpenAI official website. For that, in your browser, access openai.com. In the top menu, click on the products option, then click API login. If you don't have an account, click on the create account option or log in with one of these options. I will use the email option to log in. After login, click on the API option. On this page, in the top right, you will see a button with a gear icon. Click on it. Then, in the left menu, click on the bill option. Now, click on Add Payment Details. Select either the individual or company option. I chose individual. In this pop-up, fill in your credit card information and your personal details. After clicking the continue button, and at the time of recording this video, you can only choose a value between $5 and $100. Once you've added credit to your OpenAI account, go back to the dashboard. Then in the left menu, click on API keys. You will see the create new secret key button. Click on it. If you prefer, give your API key a name, for example, my API key. Then click on the create secret key button. Once you've done this, your secret key will be created. Copy it. It's really important to highlight that you need to save your API key in a safe place. Anyone who has your API key can use the OpenAI API and spend your credits. After copying your API key, click on the Done button. Also note that it is not possible to recover your API key after closing the pop-up. If you lose your API key, delete it by clicking on the Trash button, then generate a new one. So let's open Google Colab. If you never used Google Colab before, you need to have a Google account. Then open the browser and go to colab.new. A new notebook will be available for you and you won't need to configure any environment. Of course, you can also use any other tool to develop our example. In the Google Colab, give your notebook a name, for example, Hello GPT. Now we're going to install the OpenAI library. For that, type exclamation mark pip install OpenAI and press Shift plus Enter. OpenAI library installed successfully. The next step is to configure the library with our API key. From OpenAI import OpenAI. Client equals OpenAI. And we need set the API key parameter. To work securely with the API key in Google Colab, click on the key icon. Then click on Add New Secret. Give your secret a name, for example, OpenAI underscore API underscore key. In the very column, paste your API key. Click on the eye icon option to mask your API key. And click on this button to enable access to your secret in your notebook. We'll need to read the secret value, so copy this example code and paste here. Cut this and set your API key parameter. Replace the secret name with the name you gave your Colab secret, OpenAI underscore API underscore key. Run it. Now we're going to list the available module names. Models equals client.models.list. For model in models.data, print model.id. Execute it. Okay, we can see all available models to use with OpenAI API. We will use the GPT-3.5-Turbo. So let's say hello GPT to the OpenAI API. Let's do completion equals client.chat.completions dot create model equals, for the model parameter put GPT-3.5-turbo messages equals, for the message parameter the following pattern is required: role colon user, because this message represents what the user is speaking to the GPT. Content colon hello GPT. Run it. Let's print the completion variable. We can see the result here in the choice property at index 0, in the content property of the message object. So let's print completion dot choices index 0 dot message dot content. Execute it. Great. The GPT answer, hello, how can I assist you today? And to finish, let's execute a new example. Copy it to here and change hello GPT for tell me a fun story. Run it. Okay. Let's run print competition dot choices index 0 dot message dot content. Great. Here is the API response, and that's it. If you liked this content, please like it to help this video reach more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and enable notifications, as I'll be posting new videos about OpenAI and the other technologies as well. Thank you.